Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. So in this video, I'll be doing the reverse charging test in the Realme X2 Pro device. So the reason why I am doing this kind of reverse charging test in plenty of other smartphones because nowadays with the technology growing and the reverse charging technology, definitely you need to know how much fast actually your phone can charge your friends' devices. So for example, when your friends they do have less charging, if you have this kind of normal type C cable or any other cable, so you should know whether your phone is capable of charging your friends devices. So at what speed actually it can charge, actually will it the phone supports or not. So that's why I decided to do this kind of reverse charging test starting with the Realme X2 Pro device. Definitely I'll do the same kind of reverse charging test in other phones, Realme 6, Realme X2 and other devices. So I'll be including this kind of three different cables as you can see. So one is the type C to type C cable. As you can see friends, both sides there will be a type C port. So a few times the type C to type C will give the better results. And next I'll be including the Realme cable. As you can see friends, Realme cable. And next is a normal cable. So these are the three scenarios where I have selected. And one more thing is that your friend, if they have the Realme phone, it's good to know how fast the Realme phone can charge. And if your friend has any other phone other than the Realme brand, so as an example I have taken the POCO X2 phone. So how fast actually other brands can actually charge in the by using with the Realme X2 device, X2 Pro device. So definitely friends, subscribe to my channel and also to check the links in description for what live wallpapers I am using in all of these smartphones. There are various playlists available for the wallpapers and also wallpapers for punch holes and notch smartphones as well. So try to check the links in description for more interesting videos. And recently with the Mi10 Lite which has got 7 hours of PUBG gaming test. So if you are PUBG lover, you can try to watch this video. So let's get started with this test. So right now, so first let me try with the type C to type C cable. As you can see friends, I will leave all the links in description, like in the comments I'll pin the comments for the links. As you can see, this is a small type C cable which is very much useful. So let me try to test by connecting the normal type C to type C cable. First I'll be testing with the Realme phone and then I'll be testing with the POCO X2. So that is from the other brand. As you can see friends, clearly right now I'm charging. So as soon as you connect the both phones, they won't display anything at all. So the reason why, because in the Realme you need to enable the option OTG option. So by going into the settings and additional settings, so when you scroll down there is a OTG connection. So when you tap OTG connection, then the Realme 6 phone will charge, as you can see here. So charge only. So now let me open the battery application. So there is a charging meter, so where it will measure how much is a maximum recorded charging meter, as you can see. So on an average friends, you should expect reverse charging up to 1000 milliamperes. So 1000 milliamperes is a basic reverse charging speed, so which I have tested in other smartphones. So right now with the type C to type C cable, you are experiencing a little bit very low reverse charging, as you can see right now. So by using with type C to type C cable, so let me write down the maximum recorded charging meter. As you can see, so 251 is a maximum, so I'll be writing the 251 here. So now I'll be connecting the POCO X2 phone. So this is the test with the Realme phone. We got the test results, and let me connect to the POCO X2 phone. Let me so right now you can see here friends, I am charging the POCO X2. So let's see type C to type C cable how much fast it can actually charge. So basically the Realme 6 phone only maybe Realme phones, they do have support with the work charging cable. So that's why the charging speed is very low in the Realme 6 smartphone. So in the POCO X2, the POCO X2 actually supports any type of cable. So that's why it's a little bit good. So definitely from Realme X2 Pro, if you are trying to charge any other smartphone using type C to type C cable, these are maximum recorded milliamperes. So now let's test with a normal cable. So normal cable, I mean this Realme cable, as you can see, yellow color, if it is inside the type C cable, that is a Realme cable. So first, as usual, let me connect to the Realme 6 smartphone first. So let's see how much is the maximum recorded battery will be there here. So charging only. So let me open the battery. So you need to have this kind of OTG adapter, so to charge the Realme 6 using this kind of USB cable. So right now you can see here friends how the reverse charging actually speed is, how much it is. So as you can see, the maximum is of only 134 milliamperes. So 134 milliamperes is the maximum. So now let me connect the POCO X2. So it is a POCO X2 phone using the Realme cable. So this is a Realme cable which I am using. So if you, as you can see, it's very thick. So using the Realme cable, if you charge any other phone rather than Realme brand, then definitely it won't charge that much speed. As you can see, it's only 40-45. It's going around, that's it. Only in the beginning we reach 230, but overall you are getting very low, as you can see. So definitely don't charge using the Realme cables these other phones. So it's not at all it's not charging at all speed, as you can see. So this is good for the normal type C earphones. So this is pretty good for the type C earphones, but not for the smartphones. So in terms of this test, only 40 I'll be writing. So now let me disconnect this kind of Realme cable, and now let me select the normal cable. So as you can see friends, when I connect to the Realme 6, the charging rate is very low. Then I decided to use just an example for the Realme X2. So here is the Realme X2 which I connected. Even in the Realme X2 also, it's very low, the charging. I'm not sure what the reason is, but definitely if you are trying to charge, reverse charge from the Realme X2 Pro, any other Realme brand, any other Realme phone, the reverse charging will be very slower, as you can see friends. So let me try again with the Realme 6. So it will be very slow. I'm not sure what the reason is, but the Realme phones, they are not taking the power from the Realme X2 Pro, I guess. So this is very slow in terms of the charging, reverse charging. So the maximum is 150. So now let me change the phone to the POCO X2. So it is a POCO X2 phone. So even in the POCO X2, it's very less, as you can see, just around 50. So overall the conclusion is, so if you use the Type-C to Type-C cable, you will get very good results. So as you can see, there is a huge difference between normal cable and the Type-C to Type-C cable. So overall my suggestion would be that always try to have one small Type-C to Type-C cable which can charge pretty much faster your device. You can charge any other phone reverse charge with the Type-C to Type-C cable. So no need of any adapters or anything, nothing. Just Type-C to Type-C is enough to charge. So as you can see, as soon as I connect the Type-C to Type-C cable, it started to charge very much faster. So 500 I am getting 528. As you can see friends, Type-C to Type-C, Realme X2 Pro to POCO X2, you can clearly see the difference how much it is. So my conclusion is always have this kind of Type-C to Type-C cable if you seriously want to reverse charge any other smartphone or any other your friends devices. So definitely try to buy this kind of small Type-C cable, so which will be very much useful for you all. So this is the overall conclusion friends in terms of the reverse charging test. So do let me know what are your comments about this reverse charging in terms of the Realme X2 Pro device. So stay tuned for more videos. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.